meteorologist Lauren Whitney. This was a frustrating forecast, not just for you, but for Alex as well this morning.
Yes, everything about this storm and cutoff lows, we know you've probably heard us say it all week long, are very difficult to forecast. And this one has been way more powerful and packing way more of a punch for the Front Range than earlier anticipated. We knew the Eastern Plains would get hit hard, but Denver is certainly getting a lot more snow. So looking outside, you can see Denver is blanketed in snow out there view from our Lookout Mountain camera. And it is obviously a first alert weather day thanks to more snow, and we'll have the next 2 days first alert weather days as well. Western Colorado, I want to start off and say that you guys are dry and sunny for the most part with a little bit of cloud cover, but the focus of this is going to be on the Front Range and Eastern Plains where we still have quite a bit of very heavy snowfall. So even here in Denver, light to moderate snowfall now, not quite as intense as it was earlier this morning, but it was snowing so much harder than anticipated earlier today. So we flipped it to a first alert weather day. Alex did this morning. Out in the Eastern Plains, you see all that dark blue, purple. I'm not sure what it shows up on your screen, but that indicates really heavy snowfall. And then there's actually a warm side to this near Lamar and Springfield where they're actually getting some rain. So that snow continues. Parts of eastern Colorado may continue to see snow as we head into Saturday solidly until then. So San Isabel, 32.3 inches of snow so far. Beulah with 26. Conifer, 20 inches of snow. Genesee, 16. Elizabeth now up to 17 inches of snow, and Black Forest at 15. So again, major pileups in parts of the state, and it will continue to be that way as we head into the next couple of days. We still have to go through Saturday with this. So what we're looking at for this afternoon, still 5 o'clock tonight, really this northern part of this forecast area will be in place through 5 o'clock tonight. Then we see new things reissued late tonight. So another 2 to 8 inches of snow for Douglas County and out east, from Lyman towards Burlington and Cheyenne Wells, maybe another 4 to 10 inches of snow. And as we move down to the south, these are actually mostly in place through Saturday at 5 a.m. So just know that there's still a lot of snow expected in the southern part of the state. 1 to 3 feet for the Sangre de Cristos, and maybe anywhere from 15 to 30 inches of snow in that southeastern part of the state. So we're talking major snow. This is in addition to what has already fallen. So there's a lot more on the way. Futurecast for the afternoon. Again, we'll start to see this clear out a little bit for us here in Denver. We'll have clear and cold conditions tonight with some cloud cover, and the snow continues out in the Eastern Plains. Tomorrow morning, we should be cloudy and dry here in Denver. Maybe some snow lightly off to the west, but solidly raining and snowing in the southeast. This will come our way probably late morning, early afternoon to the Denver area. Continues as we head into Saturday morning. Early Saturday morning, southeastern Colorado finally starts to clear. So they get a break from all of that snow. Still snowing here in Denver. Probably by about 12 o'clock, 1, we start to really clear things out here in the Denver area. So in terms of winter storm watches for us, from late night tonight through Saturday morning, we have a winter storm watch. Probably be upgraded to winter storm warning at some point, but for parts of the Front Range Mountains and out toward the Eastern Plains. An additional 6 to 12 inches possible for most of these areas, including eastern Colorado. That doesn't include the 4 to 10 they're expecting still tonight. And then we may see up to about 10 inches of snow here in Denver in that time frame. Right now, we're in the low 30s. It's cold out there, and we see the 20s and 30s out east, 30s in the mountain areas, and then later today, mainly in the upper 30s and 40s in the mountain areas. But today across the Front Range, mainly in those upper 30s. I was trying to get to this map. I had too many maps in there. Low 20s for the Front Range and Eastern Plains today. Lots of teens in the high country, so it's ever so slightly warmer in parts of the high country. Now, Friday and Saturday morning, our first alert weather days, talking about the commute and how bad it's been. We may not have a nice commute again until Monday morning because it is going to be so dicey out there, but really good chance of snow still tomorrow. Saturday morning, that lingers before it kicks out of here. And then we finally dry out as we head into Saturday afternoon, but we really don't warm up much until Sunday when we get back to the low 50s.
All right, Lauren, thank you.